red dog.
Woo!
This island has lots of amazing things. Somewhere. But not up here. Whoa! Where are we going? Wow, an old bird's nest. This must be from last spring. There's even some feathers and old eggshells inside. This'll be great for show and tell. Clifford, no! Oh. Good boy. Now, let's get this nest home. Oh, Clifford. Maybe Mom has something in her shop I can use. You stay here, Clifford. Clifford?
That Clifford. What a dog.
I'm gonna go see what I can dig up inside. I'll be right back.
Hey, maybe I can dig up something for Emily, too. Digging's one of my best things.
Is that coral, Emily Elizabeth? It sure is.
What a coincidence! I have something made of coral, too. Wait till you see it. It's a real treasure. Ta-da! It's me! Isn't it absolutely amazing?
It certainly is.
Oh, it certainly is.
It's perfect for show and tell, don't you think? What are you bringing?
Oh, I'm bringing a real treasure of my own.
Is that your treasure, Emily Elizabeth?
Yeah, sure.
Well, what is it? Let's see. Bones? Your treasure is a pile of bones?
Now that's a real treasure.
Well, yeah. You know, Jetta, a pile of bones is a real treasure to Clifford.
Whatever. Come on, Mac. Let's go. I said come on.